Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js Canva clone image and PDF editor that I had made. It's a canvas editor and it's a single page static application which runs in the browser. I literally deployed this tool right here. You can try this tool on my website freemediatools.com, and this is actually the tool right here. We see the canvas appearing. You can change the width and the height of the canvas. So by default it comes with 500, but we can change it very easily. So you can see automatically it will change. So whatever thing you need to do. And then we have a set of controls out there. We can add different kinds of shapes. We can add text, image. Then we can export them into image and PDF as well. So now let's suppose I add a shape right here. So you can change the color here. So as you click on the individual element, on the right hand side, the properties will come right here. Here you can just control it with your mouse, the width and the height, and then you can change the color as well. So you can see that. You can even control the opacity as well by this. By default it is 1. You can add circle, you can add rectangle as well. So let me also change this color. So we also have the dark theme as well. If you want to work with the dark theme, you can do that. And then we have a bunch of buttons here. If you want to export this canvas to a PNG image, so you can see that the image has been created. And similarly, if you want to convert this into a PDF, just click the PDF button and you will see the canvas will be exported to PDF, similar to Canva. And now if you want to delete this element, you click the dustbin icon to delete this element from the canvas. And now let's suppose I want to add an image to the canvas. So I select a local image from my computer and add this to the canvas right here. So we can even add text. So we have the text control. So you can see that we can just make. So this can be used for various purposes. It can be used to edit your images, make a YouTube thumbnail as well. So it's a social media Canva kind of a clone. So here you can change the text color accordingly. So if you want to export this now, you will see that the result has been exported. Same goes with the PDF as well. So this is actually a Canva clone, guys. Canvas image and PDF editor built inside React.js. And if you want to purchase it, first of all try out the demo right here on my website, and then if you are interested, the link is given in the description, which is coded inside the React.js. If I show you the package.json file, you will see that it's built using Fabric.js and jsPDF. Fabric.js is actually a JavaScript open source animation library which allows you to make these animated canvas editors, and jsPDF is used for exporting the canvas to PDF. So you can see we are using the latest version of React, which is 19 at the time of recording this video. So it's compatible with the latest version, and whenever you are running it for the very first time, after you purchase the source code, you will get this zip file. You just need to extract the zip file, and you will see each component is coded inside. It's a TypeScript file right here. So the project is fully made using TypeScript. Every component is split it across multiple components, so it will be very easy for you to understand once you purchase the source code. You can even edit the source code if you are a developer, or add additional functionalities as well. And this is actually, so if you're running it for the very first time after you purchase it, just go to the terminal and just after extracting it, just type this command here, npm i. So this will install all the modules which are mentioned in the package.json file, and just create this node modules folder. And after doing this, you just need to actually run this application locally by npm run build, npm run dev. So this will start the development server on localhost 5173. So if I try to show you by typing this address, localhost 5173, so you will be able to locally run this application. You can see the application is perfectly working. You can add images, text, different kinds of shapes to the canvas editor. And let's suppose I want to make a YouTube thumbnail, so 1280 by 720, which is the size of the canvas. You can see you can change the canvas size as well. Then you can add different text shapes, and then we have the option to export this to an image, and then we also have the option to export this to the PDF. So you can basically try this, guys. The actual tool is live on my website freemediatools.com. Before purchasing it, if you like it, then the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and it's built, as I already told you, using open source packages. So you can see Fabric.js, we are using this JavaScript animation canvas library. Apart from that, we are using jsPDF, which is a PDF generation library for JavaScript for generating the PDF documents. So we are using these two packages here for building this PDF canvas editor, something like Canva. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. Just purchase it. And if you are a college going student, or if you are looking for a job, then it will be a great project to purchase it. And you'll be able to see how I make this project. If you want to build this project, the command is simple: npm run build. So just run this command. If you want to deploy this onto a real domain name, it will create this dist folder. So minified JavaScript and HTML, so you can easily deploy this source code as well, project as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.